When it comes to car maintenance, changing your vehicle's oil is a fairly easy do-it-yourself project. It doesn't take much time, requires only a few tools, and can save you quite a bit of money. Here's what you'll need to change your vehicle's oil. First, park the car on a flat surface and engage the emergency brake. Then, using a jack, raise the car. Set the jack stands in place, then lower the car onto them. And chock the back tires for added safety. Oil changes can get a little messy, so place a piece of cardboard, old newspapers, or mat underneath the engine to protect your garage floor or driveway. Wearing disposable gloves and safety glasses, pop the hood and remove the oil fill cap. This helps the draining process. Then, underneath the car, place your drain pan or a recycled container to catch the old oil. Next, locate the drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Loosen it using a socket wrench, then unscrew it by hand. Then let the old oil drain into the catch pan for several minutes. Replace the washer and drain plug when empty. Next, you'll want to unscrew the old oil filter with the drip pan positioned below. Once the excess oil is drained, wipe the area clean with a rag. Remove the gasket off the old filter, lubricate it with a thin layer of oil, and thread it onto the new filter. Finish by filling the new filter about 3/4 full of fresh oil. Then screw it tightly back into place. Next, use a funnel to pour in the fresh motor oil and replace the cap. Now that the oil has been successfully changed, remove all tools and pans from underneath the car. Start the vehicle and let it run for 5 to 10 minutes. Check for any leaks under the car and around the oil plug or filter. Now turn off the car and pull the oil dipstick. To get a clean reading on the level, wipe it clean, then replace it. Pull it out once more and use the guides on the dipstick to check your oil level. If necessary, add more oil. Don't forget to transfer that used oil into a spill-proof container for proper disposal. Many gas stations and repair shops will accept the used oil and filter for a small fee. Knowing how to change your own oil can really pay off over the life of your vehicle. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.